Welcome to Elite Service Masters channel. Tired of sharing your home with unwanted pests? You're not alone. Today we're bringing you the ultimate DIY pest control guide to help you kick those creepy crawlies out for good without having to rely on expensive exterminators. Whether you're dealing with ants, spiders, cockroaches, or even rodents, we've got simple, practical, and safe solutions to get the job done. First up, let's talk about the essential tools and supplies every homeowner needs for DIY pest control. Don't worry, you won't need anything fancy. You probably already have most of these lying around. The must-have tools. A good quality caulk gun. This will be your best friend when sealing up entry points. Steel wool great for blocking rodents from sneaking in. Sticky traps and bait stations ideal for monitoring what pests are crawling around and where they're coming from. A hand sprayer for applying homemade or store-bought solutions. A vacuum. Yes, a vacuum. It's surprisingly effective for picking up pests and their eggs, especially with a crevice tool. Now that you've got your pest-fighting toolkit, let's dive into some common household pests and how to deal with them. Ants are among the most common household invaders. Once they find a food source, they invite all their buddies to the party. The trick here is to eliminate the trail they follow. Step 1. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in your spray bottle. Spray this along windowsills, door frames, and any other place you've seen ants crawling. Vinegar disrupts their scent trails, making it harder for them to navigate. Step 2. Create a simple DIY ant bait using sugar and borax. Place this mixture in small containers around areas where you notice ant activity. The ants will take the bait back to their colony, which helps wipe out the problem at its source. Pro tip: seal up food in airtight containers, and make sure to wipe down counters and floors regularly to eliminate their food supply. Cockroaches are like that unwanted guest who just refuses to leave. But with the right approach, you can send them packing. Start by giving your home a thorough clean. Roaches love crumbs, grease, and moisture. Pay extra attention to your kitchen and bathrooms, wipe down surfaces, clean up food, and take out the trash regularly. Boric acid is your secret weapon here. Lightly dust it along the backs of cabinets, under appliances, and in any dark corners where roaches might hide. When roaches come into contact with it, they'll take it back to their nest, eliminating more than just one at a time. Roaches can sneak through the tiniest of cracks, so inspect your walls, baseboards, and pipes. Seal any gaps you find with caulk or steel wool. Spiders might help control other insects, but if they're making your home look like a haunted house, it's time to act. Regularly vacuum corners, ceilings, and under furniture to remove webs and spider eggs. This can prevent new generations from hatching. Mix water and a few drops of peppermint oil in a spray bottle and mist it around windows, doorways, and baseboards. Spiders hate the strong scent of peppermint, and this keeps them away naturally. Reduce clutter around your home. Spiders love to hide in piles of clothes, boxes, and even stacks of paper. Keep things tidy and they'll have fewer places to hide. Rats and mice are not just a nuisance. They can be a serious health risk, chewing through wires and contaminating your food. Here's how to keep them out. Inspect your home for any entry points, cracks in the foundation, gaps around pipes, or open vents. Use steel wool or wire mesh to plug up these gaps, as rodents can squeeze through even the smallest openings. Set up bait stations or traps along walls, in attics, or in basements where you suspect rodent activity. Peanut butter makes an excellent bait. It's cheap and rodents love it. Keep food stored properly and regularly clear out your pantry. Rodents can sniff out food from a mile away, so keep it sealed tight. Now that you know how to deal with these common household pests, let's go over some preventative measures to make sure they don't come back. Most pests enter your home through small openings. Check your windows, doors, and foundation for any cracks or gaps and seal them with caulk or weather stripping. Pests are attracted to food and water sources. Regularly cleaning up spills, vacuuming, and wiping down counters can make your home less inviting. Keep food in sealed containers and make sure your garbage is tightly covered. Rodents, ants, and cockroaches are all drawn to food, so eliminating their access is crucial. Many pests, including roaches and rodents, are drawn to water. Check for any leaks under sinks, around pipes, or in basements, and fix them promptly. Overgrown bushes, wood piles, and standing water in your yard can be a breeding ground for pests. Trim back vegetation, clear out debris, and make sure water drains away from your home. By following these simple steps and staying vigilant, you'll not only deal with existing pests, but also create a barrier that keeps them from coming back. Best of all, these methods are safe for your family and pets, and they won't break the bank. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Elite Service Masters for more home improvement advice. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tips to keep your home in top shape. Thanks for watching, and here's to living in a pest-free home.